Alex. Welcome to b.Brilliant. Do you like making things? Maybe you've wondered how technology works or how kids like us can help the environment. Together with my fellow makers, we'll ask good questions, make our technology, and help find solutions that can change our world. Good morning, Bibi.
Bonjour, Alex.
Hi, makers. Good morning, Alex. Bibi, practicing your French, I see?
Practice makes perfect, Mr. Lingley, is a saying that can be traced back to the 1500s.
Okay, thanks, Bibi.
Hey, Bibi. Today's code word is renewable energy.
That's correct, Alex. Here's a question for Mr. Lingley. From St. John's, Sarah asks, can water make energy?
Hi, Sarah. Yes, I can think of 3 ways that water can create energy right off the top of my head. Hydroelectric dams, tidal power, and wave power all capture the energy of water moving through turbines. And today on b.Brilliant, we're going to look at this process, water moving through turbines to create energy. In fact, we're going to visit a hydroelectric dam. We're going to look at wind turbines. And while we're on the topic of renewable energy, we're going to cook s'mores using a solar oven. Over to you, Alex.
Thanks, Mr. Lingley. Last episode, we introduced the United Nations has 17 Sustainable Development Goals to help our world. This episode, we'll explore goal number 7, clean and affordable energy. This means that people everywhere should have access to clean and affordable electricity. Let's visit Joseph in Prince Edward Island to see what's cooking.
So hi, my name is Joseph and we're going to be making a solar oven to cook s'mores. So first you're going to take your tin foil. I already have it pre-cut. So we're going to take this side, the shiny side, we're going to lay it down. Then we're going to take a little bit of tape and we're going to tape it to the sides. Alright, so that's one part of it done. Now we're going to do the second part, which is the top. Top is easy enough, you just have to do the same thing as bottom. Now we're going to take some sticks, 2 of them, doesn't matter what kind of sticks. We're going to put one here, and the other one over here. Then we're going to just put them through here. Flaps are in, or if you're not using piggyback box, doesn't matter. And we're going to take some more powerful tape, which is duct tape, and then we're going to put it right on the bottom stick, make sure that it stays there. We're going to take another and do it on the other side. Okay, now then, that part's done. So now we're going to take this. We're going to take the see-through material and then we're going to put it on. We're just going to put the tape on the bottom part of this. Alright, now that that's secure on, now we need another one. You do want to leave an opening here just so then you can put your s'mores in, so don't close it fully. The way that the oven works, I forgot to mention this earlier, so the tin foil on the bottom, the sun goes in, hits the tin foil, hits the top, comes back down onto your s'mores or whatever you put in. Then the saran wrap, it keeps some of the heat in and some of the sun magnifies the sun as well. So then it will heat up faster and more efficiently. So now we're just going to put in the chocolate and marshmallow. Now that your solar oven is done, now you just need to move it to a nice sunny spot so then it can harness the power of the sun to warm up your s'mores.
Hi, I'm Tessa. Have you ever heard someone say that motor has 100 horsepower? Horsepower is a unit of measurement. In the 1700s, a man named James Watt did an experiment. He measured how much water a horse could lift in 1 minute at a normal walking pace. It turned out to be 330 pounds lifted straight up 100 feet. Here I am at the Maxer Quack Power with my dad, Eric, and my grandfather, Rob. A hydroelectric power station is a place where electricity is made by the power of rushing water. It's one of the oldest power sources on Earth. Farmers used it in ancient Greece to grind grain. It's also called renewable energy. That means it doesn't cause air pollution or leave any toxins in the water. Wow, that's a lot of water. I wonder how it works. Hey Pops, you worked at NB Power for a long time. What did you do?
I was an engineer, mechanical engineer, and I looked after some of the components inside the station to make sure they're reliable and safe. Everything needs to be reliable. It's like your dad's truck over there. It's got to run well. It's got to be healthy. So we kept the machinery healthy.
So Pops, how does the dam work to make electricity?
Well, the dam holds the water back and makes a reservoir. It's like a man-made lake. A lot of water up there. And then we bring the water through huge pipes, and the force behind it pushes that water down through the turbines. And the turbines are connected to a generator, and the generators go around and they produce electricity. And then we put it up through the power lines, and it goes to your homes for light and heat. And we charge up electric vehicles more and more around these days, and trucks, cars, things like that.
What's a turbine?
A turbine is like a big wheel. It catches the water and turns really fast, and it's connected to a generator. So it's just like a great big wheel. You've seen a water wheel before, right? So this one is in the powerhouse, and it's connected to a generator, and that's what produces the electricity.
How much water is let go to make electricity?
A lot. Every second coming through the turbines, all 6 turbines, you use about 2,400 cubic meters per second. That's like 1 million big pop bottles poured out into those pipes.
Is electrical power measured in horsepower?
Yeah, you can think of it in those units. One of the turbines here would be equivalent to 136,000 horses working steadily to produce the same power. But one turbine here is about 110 megawatts, but all 6 turbines together, 670 megawatts is the capacity. And that's enough to turn on over 6 million light bulbs. Or you could provide all the power required by 20% of the province of New Brunswick.
Wow, that's a lot.
A lot of water and a lot of electricity, yeah.
If kids like me want to become an engineer, what do we need to think about?
Well, you're in school, you'll want to continue to learn math and science. And then when you're finished school, go to university for 4 years or college for 2 years and become an engineer or a technician. It's a really nice career. There's lots of careers at NB Power, lots of opportunities, not just engineering, but that's a good one.
Thanks, Pops.
You're welcome, Tessa. It's been a pleasure. Now you can tell your friends about the Mactaquac Dam, the powerhouse, the turbines, the generators, how we make electricity without polluting. Renewable energy is awesome.
Bye.
What? Baby! Baby! Turn the fan, baby! Fan! Off! Baby! No! Baby! Fan! Fan!
Hi, I'm Anna. The wind is powerful and a renewable energy. For example, when the wind is blowing more than 19 kilometers per hour, a wind turbine can produce 1.5 megawatts of electricity. That's enough to power about 813 homes. My sister Tate and I did this really fun wind turbine project. Check this out. Hi, I'm Anna.
And I'm Tate.
And instead of using electricity to make a breeze, we're going to use the breeze to make electricity.
Wind energy works using the same ideas as tidal power. The wind goes through turbines like these and produces energy.
Clean and renewable energy can be part of the solution for so many global issues like climate change and reducing our use of fossil fuels.
Renewable energy and thinking of ways to provide electricity for those who live their day-to-day lives without access to power is so important.
Who knows where the next great idea will come from to change the world? Now let me show you how to do it. To do this project, you'll need a fan, a DC motor, 2 alligator clips, a breadboard, and an LED. First, attach your alligator clips to your motor terminals. Next, insert the other end of your alligator clips into the breadboard. Insert your LED into your breadboard in the same columns as your alligator clips. Now I'm going to pretend I'm the wind. Have fun making. Bye.
Aw, Mr. Lingley, do you want help?
No, Alex, I've got this. But go home, all right? Thank you.
Okay, goodbye, Mr. Lingley.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Go get your bus. Baby! Stay brilliant, Alex.
Make sure to check out brilliantlabs.ca for all of today's activities and how-to guides. And don't forget to submit your questions to BB. You never know, your question could be featured on an upcoming Be Brilliant show.